Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install a side load bobbin into your sewing machine. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up the trap door here, and that's the bobbin case right in there. I'm just going to tip this up so you can see it a little better. So all you're going to do is pull on this tab and this little bobbin case comes out. Then you're going to grab your thread of choice and you're going to load it into your case. And then there's a little slit right here. You're going to put your thread into that slit. And then you're going to go under this little groove here. And then when you pull on it, it should go clockwise. And then you're going to go put it in. Make sure your hole right here is lined up with your post. Pull on the tab so it seats properly with your little stem facing up into this groove, and you're good to go start sewing. Hopefully this was helpful, and please like and subscribe.